Alright guys, in this video I will talk about Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, which short form is FE. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. If you don't subscribe this channel, click into that red subscribe option and hit the bell icon so that you can find these kinds of tech news at first. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Its launch date is 4 January 2022, means in this year, and its weight is 177 gram and dimension is 155.7 into 74.5 into 7.9 mm, and its resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels, and display size is small, that is 6.4 inches, and display type is dynamic AMOLED 2X, and its processor is Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G, and its internal storage is 128 GB and 256 GB. Its RAM is 8 and 6 GB, and its main camera is 12 megapixel and front camera is 32 megapixel, and its battery capacity is 4500 milliampere and charging is 25 watts fast charging and wireless charging is 15 watts fast charging, and its colors are only four, that is white, graphite and lavender and olive. So that is the specifications of Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.